Do you want your render to look cinematic? So let me show you one simple trick, and it's called depth of field.
This is how your scene looks like without depth of field. Everything feels sharp, feels flat, and there's no focus point. The fix is really easy. Select your camera, go to the depth of field and turn it on. And now, there is some interesting part. Create an empty cube, for example, and in the settings of depth of field, select focus object on this empty. And now you can move this empty and see how depth of field looks like, how it works. Check this out, see the difference? More depth, more cinematic feel, and better focus, of course. Hit follow if this helped, and see you in the next one.